Well, yeah.
Does it line itself up or do you do that?
It's automatic line up.
Oh, right.
All right.
He's had a game. What's his minimum 8? You can see his face. He does back, a couple, 3 wagons off into the other park.
Just get rid of this.
Bring a couple of wagons off.
I'll just get rid of this guards out the way.
Yeah,
Then you'll be in the
blocking the main line up. You're only fiddling about. That's the trouble. You need to pull them off as a group. That'll do. Leave it there. On the other side of the line. Not quite so fast. That'll do. It's fine enough. It's wasting time. Right. Give me that road, reverse, and work that switch. And give me the slot. Once you've got the slot right, bring through teams. Those will stick to make it more easy. Now that just runs in and stops. That's fine, you've got to keep later. Control the set. Now onto the southern brake van. Oh yes.
What turn are we putting the start on?
Identify most of the vegetables, we should be able to keep it away.
Is that done? Your points will get you.
Go clean and the track.
If I go my own bag under here with my coupling box, there's some paperwork here, plastic folders. In there, like that. It's got all the logo numbers on it, black and
Is that train moving? Look, train goes there and then it goes through the pond.
A double O one of those with the skirts on it.
Yeah.
And I like it. It's a nice little O.
Are the 001, the thing I find with these is that one runs like a little sewing machine. That's from the same batch, and that one's much, much rougher. You can still shunt with it, but not as quite as gently as this one.
Is it DCC or?
No, just standard DC.
Very good at that speed, isn't it?
It would be very easy to convert this layout to DCC because it's normally only one engine in steam.
Stop.
It's the short one.
I'm just sitting down. We left in turret video.
just bent the rail.
Yeah. At least that explains why it fell off the previous.
I'm glad to see it's still going around, Dave.
Yeah.
Well, yes, yeah, don't mind, yeah. It needs to be done.
Take the rail car. Can I take the rail car?
Taking buzz.
I could hear it running.
Well, this could be an interesting exercise. Put some sand down. There's nothing wrong with that boy. Check it 10 times. I'm not sure it is slipping. I think it's just the way the fly pads go around. It looks like I don't know what flight it really is. Then if you watch Linda on the Festinio, back and lift its tail.
I didn't even know there was a oh, well, it's just see if you can do it sitting down. I doubt it, but right, I have a train for Martin when he's ready.
Right.
haven't done the gravity wagon. Stuff going up and down lifts.
Yes, it does. It's just at the very okay. So that was it.
Why is it not going? Why did it stop? Why did it stop?
Very small part of the very. This is the newest bit of it. Getting there.
Is that the
Does
Victoria
Copenhagen
Light
Fields
train?
have another underground?
Yes.
Is this?
No. No, initially. Gone with green.
One table.
Oh, yeah. So I'll try and get. No, what are you doing? Out of the tunnel? No. Right.
I'm very sure I'll probably just leave your one. We've got loads of them. Eats in pub space.
Well, that's the plan, to get all 5 floors paid for next February.
That's to keep us in the loop.
Thanks to well.
We've got an uncoupling. Oh, you lost your train.
Thank you very much.
There's a bit of a problem that there is
Just when the containers is off.
It's got good sound for it. It's got good sound. No, you don't.
Lisa reckons the dip box will be on barbecue duty. She reckons the boys will gravitate towards it.
Yeah. That's their job barbecue. You said so. Mine's down front. Well, you can put it on the
Party to go to in the evening as well.
Ted. What do we get on the t-shirt? It was Ted or Ted's fault?
Ted's fault.
The Ted hat. With the Ted on one side and a D on the other. Excuse me. Are you doing the shunty thing? It's a bit technical, isn't it? Blimey. I'm not brave enough. Excuse me.
Yeah, that's what we said.
Being a set.
I mean, it doesn't surprise you. It's incredible.
Stop.
There's a train coming the other way.
Uh-oh. Oh, I know. Wait, because there's a double traffic, so it stops so that the other one can go past.
And it had the last working, you know, the actual look flumes
Yeah.
in America. The remains of the look flume is still there.
No, it's fine. What goes where? Should move to where?
What we need to do
It's
is
slowed down.
that can stay there while that is running. But when that's unloaded, that train stops up again. It's not about we want to put a load tank all that through into here. Yeah? Right, but to do that, you've got to move that back out of there into one of these runs here. Of course, that's 2, 3 now. Blocking that one. He's got to go up here somewhere while you bring that other train. Yeah, because you've got to get that. It's this around here. So you've got to do that later.
I need to read this. We took a load of it to Whalley, and it was about 3 times the size that it is today. That was a big one. Yeah, move on.
It's so big, it's got double buttons.
This one controls these two. Move that one at all. This one. This one. Can't come out of that. No, because that is number 14. Yeah. If number 14 frame was already allocated to somebody. Yeah. And it was in the system. So it's a 1200, so it's a 1214. Right.
Yeah, it's about, oh no, they're still going part. Norfolk Western is still running those, aren't they? Norfolk Southern, they're still running that way. BNSF stopped theirs in 2003.
I think it stopped.
Oh right.
That's the Swift one.
The Swift one stopped in 2003. Triple Crown, yeah. When did it start? We're just wondering whether it started.
Energy, they did
Which
two
road ran away
trains.
first, the British one or the American one? I didn't even know there was a British one.
Hard. Because it's very easy.
Oh, Europe first.
Daddy, when it goes up, it goes down a bit there. No, it goes down to the
This uses some different system and then it's got
It's a special train.
yeah. Yes. Right.
Yeah, the early versions. That was the thing, wasn't it? Because they're successful on here, on the railway, but on the road, they weigh a ton because of the strength of the undercarriage. And that's why they never really took up in
That's
the
got
America.
two locomotives.
The British one. It's the other way around.
21.
So on the railway they were great success, and on the road.
The other can start moving now. Yes, now we can go. But it does waiting. All of the other trains have
Yeah, something has. Must be allergic to something, right?
No, that train needs to do nothing.
Right.
Yeah,
It doesn't
just children.
do nothing.
Still waiting for his turn.
Ah, right, okay.
It's a long thing. Wow. What is loud sound in the floor? It's going to take this with me.
Yeah.
That's just moving.
What's the thing in here? That's a really good question. Oh,
How long did that blue train, the blue locomotive?
I want to know when this big train's going to go.
when he starts talking, probably.
Oh, there you go. The driver's busy talking.
No, that's going to you.
It worked for, I think there was only
tell him to stop. So tell him to get his train moving. So, oi, you, move that train.
Yeah, I think it is.
Yes.
It's not him, it's maybe. It's one of you.
It's not me, I'm doing this one. I think, hang on. Yeah, that's me. Yeah, that's me.
Did it go like 6 meters in the tunnel?
Just that whole line here. Zoom out to retain it.
Yeah, tell him.
Excuse me. We'll switch some tracks. One, two, three, 4, 5, that waiter over there was long.
How many was that?
This one's
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no, hey, that is you. Is it going to give me time? And then it would just go out and look how long it is. I know. There's still this one. And now turn that one forwards and fast. So then they crash. Now we get to see some action. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's the end. That's really long. Let's go see the other side. It might. There's still a chance. Is the point on the wrong side? No, look, that is lucky. That is super lucky. That is super lucky.
What are you stop for?
These tracks getting dirty possibly. This thing.
That is lucky. That is so lucky.
I think the hole's got a big piece of it now, isn't it?
It's quite annoying for people who are hoping for a crash. Well, I'd be for a crash, sadly.
Come on. so-called choices as well. Bob?
I don't know whether they've got something else going on then.
Five carriages, yeah, but it's only got five. Oh, yeah, there we go.
Wow, it's going the other way. That's so cool.
Away there. somebody else said that they were looking for these screws and they were tucked. You had to move the bogey, swing the bogey out. Well, that's the same.
Because yesterday, Wednesday, I was working on this, I was actually trying to cast the sort of stuff.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, like it was a spring clip on it, yeah.
I gave up because I could see I was going to
See that?
break these.
Yeah.
I now have a blank display.
Yes, that's all right, yeah.
I think it's 30%. As you say, that's part of nothing there.
That sounds like yours.
So close.
Yes, I've heard about that. I've heard it, so, yeah. It's just closing the group.
No, we went to Bressingham. I saw a logo, so I didn't go to that.
And you'll still go in through the old. Oh yeah, they're moving.
I did a while back, yeah. Right. Not massively recently.
It's all open now.
Yeah. Oh, right. I haven't been over that side. I haven't been over that side. The last time I went to Paris was some months ago. The only freestanding double ocean store except for one has cold. Open service. Yeah, open service as well. And Ludgate, the one at St Kingston's closed as well. So there's no double ocean Smith anywhere apart from the kiosk place. It just does like, there's nothing around where I work. So just more blue basically. Square,
It's okay, don't worry.
Yeah, but here it goes.
Emily's going freelance.
Yeah, is that?
No, I'm not happy with that.
Hey, the couple. Let's see where they change it.
run down the pit.
Yeah.
We may never see that again.
Not right down,
Right.
just so the wagon's just.
So,
Yeah.
I think they're hooking it with a hook, I think. Recommend that. Well, it has been there.
There we are.
Okay, I'll get it now, yeah.
That's it there. Because the.
Okay. Oh yeah, narrow gauge, yeah.
That's it, yeah.
Mine's always used narrow gauge, isn't it?
That's it, because a lot of them.
He wants to see how this works with stuff. Assuming it's still, yes, it'll be just going to get off with that, so decency. Hopefully, right. Tractor at the back. This shorts, I think they will still put it in a loop that will still. They come down with the cabinet, and you drive it the original thing until you can knock it off all the way first.
Just literally, it's literally just a hook.
It's just rigid.
And yeah, we've got that. What we do, see, a little loop.
Yeah.
So, what he, from that, see how far away he is, you see that? So, we tried it with action plates and you just, the loads would tip and rock and go all over the show. So this is a bit of a, and we've just got some brass tubes where the wire slides in, and that's how we achieve it. And then these are balanced, these are full of lead, to give them, you need weight. Yeah, you go in, you go down, come back a little bit, and then come up. But you've got to watch because there's the hook, natural cant on the hook. As it goes up, it will do that. And as it comes down, it will do that. So you just make sure you're coming down first, then get in a position, then drop down. But the longer loads, which are the RSJs now, they're fixed hops. So, because when you
somebody dedicated.
yes. Yeah, we tend to, that way they've just swapped over. He's had a couple of hours just concentrating on this little sort of slot. So he's having a bit of a break. But,
Yeah, straight with you.
yes. Yeah. So you've got the two lorry operators on the right and the crane operator on the left. I've got the easy job. Just go back to the forward. They just said everybody has it to talk to me. I remember it's the sea somewhere up in Midlands. It's based on that. Which are very yeah, because the Arctic is the Arctic is difficult to pick up the turn. Yeah, the blue lorry is just very easy.
You don't get bored because you've got to concentrate. And you can see sometimes they've got 5 or 6. Yeah, I mean, we have to have a lot going because there ain't a lot else to look at. So, yeah. We've got, I mean, if we look at twice as long as we're going to be wait for that to come out, and then it'll swings to one side, and then bring it up. Yeah, so you went back a little bit, and then come up. So it's a bit.
I've seen that kind of thing happening before when I was going to see closing windows in a place called Indian Kent.
But that is quite rare. It is far away.
so it's like, oh, I don't know if that.
No, it's only one. It's a very same loco.
Very
Yeah.
small class.
Yeah, yeah.
Involved the entire class.
Yeah.
But I couldn't remember whether they had that particular logo on it or whether they just found one when I saw it. But,
And then question is, where's Paul?
he went and searched for you. When did he went again?
134 had a trouble being deep. That's like more than 50 pounds.
That would be phase 2, maybe.
You can handle that size, but yeah, I can handle that.
No, I think where did I say it first? So, this year and next year, 70 years.
Yeah, we're right.
For me, I'm very much a value of it's either vanity or it's carriage take as well.
Yes, not too bad at all. You driven or? No, no. Train? Where, by Peterborough? Yeah. Andrew's working signals for me. And they're brilliant. But it's another layer, I think. On the rock.
Yeah, yeah. I like the food this one.
Why is that?
He said, I haven't sent the paperwork out. Yeah, but he said, yeah, he is down for next week. This is the end of the sequence, isn't it?
Yes, yes, milk train.
Send that back over to It's down for the day?
Which has just been resurrected from being siblings. They're better running than any other vehicle here. 60 years old, unbuilt royalties.
Yeah.
Let's say not a railway club. Behind it is a dark
yes,
room.
that day, yeah.
Just there. It was one of the first ever to pick 2 million.
Oh,
Before
right.
It's sort of, and he was one of the people that was really.
You, sir, with the beanie, could you tell me if that's coupled on? I can't quite know.
You're going to do this for the
Let's use your special tool.
I tried the dentist.
There we go. Right.
Unload the car float.
What?
Come and unload the car float.
Well, yeah, no, I just...
Switching it is quite difficult.
Yeah, it does take a bit. I won't lie.
And getting the hang of it,
Yeah.
it's still going to be challenging.
I'm waiting for the...
Okay. Wait, look. What class is that? What class is that? Wait, what line is it? Dude, yeah. Wait.
That winkle you've got a bar which stops you from getting buffalo.
So I haven't, no.
So is the layout set in the sort of pre-First World War era?
Yes. Yes. The Northwestern stuff is about 1905.
Right.
The Great Western is a little bit, some of it's 1905 and some of it's First World War.
Right.
The Indian red frames,
Yes, that would be sort of...
that changed in 1906.
Right.
Church came in. He got rid of the Indian red.
That's an unusual logo. Is that a Welsh Valleys one?
It is indeed.
Yeah. I thought I'd seen that before.
Quick pinch him.
Put the other train on.
Oh, that's a bar. Is it a Barnum? I think so. One photo of it.
So the shovel saw so
5 feet. Yeah. And roughly 9-10 inches. Yeah.
Sorry?
That's not bad. That's costly.
No.
That's why I like rail to milk and paper roll.
I know when they are.
You need the anticipation, the hope, the living hope. Look, it's 2000.
Actually, that started off just that
That's the last one. When I first came here, that was the first one. All over the bridge over there in the containers. But I haven't been here since I haven't done that second hand store, so it was only for the rest of the whole shit.
Profile Red Jordan 7 mobile phones following. Really?
Yes.
In protest. I'm not going to bring those in.
Not time yet. He looks sad.
Wow. Fire button. No chance of seeing it.
Oh, really?
Sultan maybe. The green Mark II.
Well, I can put those two or three on. Yeah, that's the trouble. You can give you stuff to do with it. Well, that's with all best intentions. Yeah, I mean, I'll put on hold of my own stuff.
This weekend we're down in Naples. The weekend after that we've got 3 days at York. And then the weekend after that 2 days at Bingham Model Railway Club show at Cochrane. No, they usually shoot. Do you want one layout? Yeah, go on, then you choose. You know, and that's it basically. Or sometimes they will come round and say, do you want to do our show? All right, then. And you never hear them pre-bell on.
So, every EM.
Wasn't meant to have that.
Whereas you should have said each.
Sticker? Thank you. Does Daddy want a sticker as well? Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. That way I'll kill what basically do. Back to upgrading and then it's the place of it's got steps it's skeleton. We are thinking. Yeah. Even if you paint it,
I was not paying attention.
Concentrating.
What do you want?
Oh, that's too much. Yeah, it's completely fouled. Look at that magic.
Oh yeah.
Are we going for 4 at once?
Yes.
It's a big contested. That's in rails. That's a rookie rails. Hang on.
Yeah. Rory.
Which one are we going into?
To that.
Yeah, passenger train. Those levels there.
Oh yeah.
So
really you wanted to vote?
Yeah, really I should have gone into that.
I mean, like that, look.
Because you can see the table joined.
Yeah, the tracks usually laid down, but I'm sure they've got a set track plan.
Sometimes it's not.
That's good.
Yellow are the start cards, so that's road 1 at 7:30.
Got one of them too, V200. These look to be like the rugby about 23 inches. Yeah.
Could you set the road?
When I grew up, we had one of these come through every day with the goods wagon on the back, and they used to unhook it, and then the farmers would buy all the fertiliser or whatever. They'd move it around a little bit.
I'm going to be like a 12-year-old boy on the fence instead of around.
I'm not helping somebody who's that to me. Especially when I've been doing what I've been told. It was only because he didn't set fucking points that the wrong results. You can't see everything. Yeah, that was the best yet. Yes, definitely. 10 out of 10. Hey, you? What difference will that make? Stephanie Nichols. Very late to see. That struggled over that joint, wasn't it? Yeah.
Everybody's good to see Paul.
What?
Everybody's good to see you.
And I was looking forward to some nice food, I was. I failed. Didn't you enjoy what you had last week?
Excuse me. Excuse me.
I mean, I have a bit of a, a bit of a thing. Look, if you're going to do a put a layer, you've got to put a decent back seat on. Because if you haven't got that, it loses the magic.
I need to wire up the cornbread some physio as well as I've got to do some controls and stuff. I've got to chop up the hands while it's although if you look underneath the figure, it's just got the suction and the context is already very good. They say something for some of the posh and Sutton Club, because some of them haven't seen it. To try and sort out a date and whatever, Is it just brain rot?
That's correct.
And then we go to Crewe, which is really strong.
Eric will probably tell you there's the one side of the station. Pennsylvania Railway since the railroad merger in the States over the decades. And railroad disappearances are a lot more than entry rail. It was, yeah. And a Great Northern as well. The Great Northern, the Northern Pacific and the Burlington merged to form Burlington Northern in the late 60s, and then that combined with Santa Fe to form the snappily titled Northern Santa Fe. BNSF as it's known. I've seen the video clips
What can happen? Yes. What? Forklift truck. There's one of the guys. Bobby. He stopped it.
How's Step Nil doing, right? She had the cost.
And it's still
Completely lost now.
What's the source of the little
You know, we've
vessel?
been asked that. So it was a Bachmann model, God knows how many years ago.
Right.
I think this was built about 9 years ago.
Nice little vessel.
It's 362. It's all right, it's not on the left. Driving the wrong train. Come on, look over there. I hear a disaster.
I'm only doing it. I'm doing it to try and confuse you, Chris.
So you succeeded.
Yeah, they did most of it was a big batch in 2003, 4. Right.
Well, you can understand it, obviously.
So when they're new out of the box, fresh and tight, they're a bit all or nothing if you're not careful.
Yeah.
And there's other bits like critical point of the instructions. They get some instructions sort of back to front. So instead of gently opening the throttle, you effectively gap the whole thing completely open and then you go flying.
So obviously this needs a lot of care.
Yes.
I mean, it's not. This is not a beginner's thing. This is a proper piece of model engineering. Back to the middle. Point.
As long as it's still going, keep that rolling. That's still no.
Just to see the engineering of this thing, it's mental. Absolutely mental. I mean, it's all proper brass and proper.
Unfortunately, some of it's plastic.
Yeah, you got a little bit. Yeah, fair enough.
Well, no, it's good.
Oh, here, these. Yeah.
Yeah.